Satureja Chandleri San Miguel savory. About a foot to a foot and a half tall by 2 feet wide. White flowers in the spring. Requires minimal water. Filtered sun to partial shade. The leaves are edible, kind of has a minty taste to it, more like spearmint. And unlike traditional mint, this is not invasive. There's also another variety of this called Yerba Buena, Satureja de Glaciae, where the leaves on this specifically are kind of a little rough, slightly, but the leaves on the Yerba Buena are smoother. Either way, they will both work fine in your garden. Great as a ground cover, definitely great for food. You can put this in an area where you can pick off a leaf as you leave for the end of the day and you want a little minty flavored breath.